thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Pleasant View, Orlinda, Adams, and Cedar Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Fentress County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tompkinsville to 6 miles west of Albany, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
Oh, I guess there's another.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Paris Landing State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Paris.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Erin, Tennessee Ridge, Cumberland City, land between the lakes, and Indian Mound.
Never heard of them before.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Southern County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Oh my god, that echo. Will they sink?
Turn around. Don't go when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles. The National Weather Service in Nashville
Are we
has issued a
serious?
flash flood warning for
Another?
Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central
Oh.
Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, North Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portland to 7 miles northeast of Gallup into near Westmoreland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lafayette, Hartsville, Westmoreland, Portland, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Bethpage, Outbreak,
Oh my god.
State Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 116 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. North Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee. Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash for Middle Tennessee, 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portland to 7 miles northeast of Gallup into near Westmoreland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lafayette, Hartsville, Westmoreland, Portland, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Bethpage, Oak Grove, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 116 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Dude, the echo on WNG 631 is crazy.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Allen County.
Louisville.
South Central Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Franklin, Penville, Salmons, Guinness, Blackjack, Schweizer, Rio Shale, and Newville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
I didn't know they shared WNG 631.
Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely, and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.
Another severe thunderstorm. Oh my god. Dude, how many times is there going to be a flash flood?
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern.
Okay, so we're in Kentucky
South
now.
Central Kentucky, southeastern Monroe County, and south central Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. Central Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams.
Okay, we genuinely need to stop these flash flood warnings. Like, oh my god. If they add a county to it, they issue a brand new one. Why can't they just come for a specific county?
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.
Why don't Nashville do that? Okay, let's go.
Moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
70 miles,
Source,
jeez.
radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Springfield, White House, Greenbrier, Cross Plains. National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 510.
Okay, that's not one.
Orland, Adams, Davis Hill, and Cottontown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 106 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hello, Vernon. He doesn't know how to say Laverne.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Bedford, Canning, Cheatham, Clay, Coffee, Cumberland, Davidson, DeKalb, Dixon, Fentress.
I don't even know what to say at this point.
Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Clarksville, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Clarksville, Pleasant View, Van Lair, Sladen, Cheatham, Palmyra, and Cunningham. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 12 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, so 3 events: flash flood, severe thunderstorm. So watch. So this thing did go off because I have it set to Rutherford.
Northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. daylight time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Jordan to their home district 6 miles northeast of Lebanon, moving south at 54 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Lebanon, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, Malvern, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Lakewood, Hermitage, Walterville, Rural Hill, Oak Bellevue, and Antioch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 195 and 244, Interstate 65 between mile markers 67 and 93, Interstate 24 between mile markers 39 and 74, Interstate 840 between mile markers 53 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my god, it's another.
National Weather Service and the National Weather Service severe thunderstorm warning for thunderstorm warning for Middle Tennessee County, Middle Tennessee County.
They just issued one. Oh my god. I gotta start complaining.
Middle Tennessee County, Middle Tennessee County, Middle Tennessee County, Middle Tennessee County, Middle Tennessee Central Daylight Time, p.m. Central Daylight Time, 17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm was located near 40 miles per hour at 40 miles per hour, 70 miles per hour, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Source, radar indicated. Expects considerable tree damage. Considerable tree damage is likely to mobile damage is likely to mobile and outbuilding roofs. And outbuildings intended include Gainsboro, South Carpentersville, South Carthage, Pleasanton Springs, and Granville. And Granville includes Interstate 40 includes mile markers 400 between mile markers 272 and 270. Alert for a possible tornado. Alert for a possible tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Some severe thunderstorms spawn a tornado going. One tornado goes. Small central room and a sturdy central room and a sturdy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. On the lowest floor of a building.
Tornado watch? Oh, it's the thunderstorm watch.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 510.
Dude, there's a warning. Are we serious right now?
Includes the following county: Maury, Tennessee. Remember, a severe
All this over Maury.
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
Go away.
In close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Please be Cannon County. Please be Cannon County.
Southwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee,
Cannon?
Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m.
Dude, why is there no Cannon County?
9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Aaron to 13 miles north of Rock Bluff to 7 miles northwest of Ashland City, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Dixon, Ashland City, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Burns, Fairview, Charlotte, Vanlier, Slade, Bonbon,
Why do I hear my 522?
This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 161 and 134, Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 5. Remain alert for
sorry, I hear my 522 going off. It's off, but...
Once into the basement to a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Cannon County, find them.
Warning for Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Woodbury, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vergne, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Thompson Station, Walterville, Fairview, Eagleville, Allentown, Rockville, Trioon, Christiana, Fosterville, Wisconsin, Milton, and Matthewville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Okay, so since I can't keep recording this, I'm just gonna set it to my camera now.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles northwest of Dixon, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dixon at 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornado thunderstorm include Charlotte, Van Laker, and Slayton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, west central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain fell falling. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding